Hi there, and welcome to a presentation of the eMapper element of eDesigner. eDesigner allows you to build online services quickly and easily. With eMapper, you can map the data collected in online services directly into back-office systems, all without coding. So what we start off with is by selecting the form that we're going to provide mapping onto. We then need to tell it what the XML document is that should be mapped into the back office. So we copy and paste a sample XML file that will be passed into the housing management system. When we go into our online form, we select Mapping Designer and then select from the list of XML schema documents to use. So you can see that on the right hand side the XML fields have been mapped directly into the system, and now using an intuitive drag and drop control, all we need to do is select the questions that are in the online form and map them to the appropriate XML documents. You can see that we're just simply mapping first name and surname to tenant first name and surname within the XML. And then we do the same with telephone number, mobile phone number, and email. What this ensures is that when the customer fills in the form, these details will be mapped into the XML, and when the XML is posted into the housing management system, it will automatically populate those details into the system. Once we've completed that, and we then go through an actual online form, we can see the output that is created by the system. So I'm just going to fill in the form as if I was a citizen requesting a housing repair. So all these details that we're collecting, these are going to be mapped into an XML document, which in turn can be posted into a back office system. You'll notice that I have not used any coding of any sort, and so what we're doing is empowering business users to be able to provide integration into back office systems rather than costly IT resource to be able to do the same function. So once we submit it, we go back into our online services portal, we look for the form which was just submitted, and now you'll see that there's an extra option within documents. There's actually an XML element which we can see as containing all of the fields that we just populated in the online form. That was a very brief look at eMapper, but it illustrates the potential of integration and realizing efficiency. Thank you.